Here's a video on solving systems using the substitution method. So in this first example, see how both of them say y equal. So they're telling me, hey, y is this thing and y is this thing. So I could set them equal to each other since they're the same thing. Well, I'm going to substitute. Since this is y, 3x plus 2, I'm going to take this and substitute it in there. So I have 3x plus 2 is equal to negative 3x minus 4. And now I'm going to move my x's to one side. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. So I get 6x plus 2 is equal to negative 4. Now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So 6x is equal to negative 6. I'm going to divide by 6. So x is negative 1. Now our point of intersection is a coordinate point. So I have x. Now I need to find my y. Well, notice they tell me, hey, y is equal to this thing, y is equal to that thing, so you can just pick one. I'm going to go with the top. So y is equal to 3x plus 2, but remember I found x. So that's negative 1 plus 2. So y is negative 3 plus 2. Y is negative 1. So my point of intersection is negative 1, negative 1. In this example, I have x is equal to y plus 3 and y is equal to negative x minus 1. So I'm going to substitute. So they're telling me x is this thing. So I'm going to take this thing and plug it in there for x. So I have y is equal to negative y plus 3 minus 1. Now I'm going to distribute this negative. So I have y is equal to negative y minus 3 minus 1. I notice here that I can combine like terms. So I get y is equal to negative y minus 4. And I'm going to add y to both sides. So y plus y is 2y is equal to negative 4. I'm going to divide by 2. So y is equal to negative 2. So I have my y, but my coordinate point is an xy, so I need x. So guess what? They told me x is equal to this thing. So now I'm going to find x by plugging in, substituting. So y is negative 2, so I'm going to plug that in. Negative 2 plus 3. So x is equal to 1. So my point of intersection is 1, negative 2. So in the last example, I have 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. X is equal to 2y. So I'm going to substitute because they told me x is equal to 2y. So they're telling me x is 2y. So I'm going to plug that in there. I'm going to substitute that. So I have 2 times 2y plus 2y is equal to 6. I'm going to multiply this. So 2 times 2y gives me 4y. Plus 2y is equal to 6. I can combine like terms here. So 4y's plus 2 more y's gives me 6y's. I'm going to divide by 6, so y is 1. Now I need to find x. Well, they told me that x equals 2 times y. So guess what? We just found y. So that's 2 times 1. So x is equal to 2. So x is 2, my y is 1. So this is my point of intersection.